What's up YouTube, Saf here on SuperSaf TV and welcome to another episode of Unboxing Time, mystery unboxings of cool tech. Now remember, if you want to pick up any of the items featured in this video, then those links will be in the description below. And if you want to send something yourselves for the next episode, that address will also be in the description below. Now, we didn't actually have one of these episodes last month. Things were busy. We had the S9 Plus, we had the P20 Pro, lots of content, but we're going to get back into it. There's loads of boxes. We've got some more as well on that side, and those I'll come to in the next couple of weeks as well. So let's get straight to it. There's a huge box here, which we'll get to first. Right, so initially we're going to have to make some space. There we go. So this is an electric skateboard. I've not actually got an electric skateboard, so this is going to be my first one. Not even sure how much you can see in the top-down camera, but some of the key features here: we've got a wireless remote control, there's an 18.8 mile top speed, climbs hills up to 15 to 25 degrees, and it's got a 15 mile range, 1800 watt dual motor and 900 watt single motor. I'm not sure which version this is. Let's get it out of the box. And here it is. If I'm not wrong, this is carbon fiber. I'm not sure if it's just the effect. Pretty light, and we've got some grip on here. The size isn't too big at all, so should be easy to carry around with this handle here. We can see that the battery is all built in, and inside this little box we've got the power supply, we've got a little tool for the wheels, there's the quick start guide and the remote control with the case. Now this, I believe, is called the King Kong. It's a Kickstarter campaign, and for the single motor you can actually pick it up for around $300, which is a pretty good price for an electronic skateboard. And I believe the dual motor one starts at around $400 US. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below. Definitely check them out, and I'll be trying this out. I've never actually tried an electric skateboard before, so it should be quite fun. And that's going to be on my Instagram stories, so definitely give me a follow on there. I'm at SuperSaf. So that's a big box out of the way. Now let's get to some of these other ones. I think I know what's in this one. All right, that's it. We have some MKBHD merch. So if you're watching this channel, then you probably already know Marquez Brownlee, MKBHD. I've featured him here on the channel a few times, makes some awesome content, definitely one of the best tech YouTubers out there. And he recently introduced some MKBHD merch, so I obviously had to get my hands on it, especially because of the other one. This is the main one with the MKBHD logo, and then we've got the logo here and it says MKBHD ESD 2008, and then we've got the label here, which is quite cool. If you look closely, it says here, can also be used to wipe fingerprints off your phone. Nice one. Very, very nice hidden message there. Now let's get to this next one, which is personally my favorite. And as soon as I saw this, I had to order it. And that is because it's matte black everything. Look at that. Now you guys know that for me, it is always matte black everything. So this is ideal. We've got the logo here at the bottom, and at the top in the labels, we've got machine wash cold, tumble dry low, post on Twitter. Nice one. Let's put this one on. And there we go. The quality is very, very nice. Feels really good. This one will probably shrink a little bit in the wash, which I'll be doing a little bit later on. If you want to pick up any MKBHD merch, then I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below. Awesome guy, makes great content, and I am all about supporting good creators here on YouTube. Right, now let's move on. We're going to get to this box, which you probably already know what's inside here because of the logos. And there we go, guys. These are a lot of Spigen cases for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Right now I've tried to lay these all around here on the table. As you can see, there's a lot of cases. I'm currently using the liquid crystal case for my S9 Plus, and that is because I absolutely love this lilac purple color and I want to show it off. So this clear case goes really nice with it, but there's lots of other options here as well. And once again, the link will be in the description below if you want to check out or pick up any of these. Thank you, Spigen, for sending all these over. Right, next up we have this packet here. And in here are some Air by Crazy Baby true wireless earphones. The inside of the box kind of reminds me of the Apple packaging. So we've got some paperwork. There's a USB Type A to USB Type C cable. There's some earpieces, some regular ones, as well as some others in this pack, which I believe are going to cover most of the earphones. Now let's get to the earphones themselves. This looks so cool. This is like a bit of a capsule. very nice. Wow, these are very, very cool. Let's try these on. Gotta say, very comfortable. And you're also gonna be able to charge them in this capsule type of case, which I gotta say looks awesome. And these look really nice as well. They're obviously in black, so they go with my theme. And very secure because they actually go inside your ear. So I actually really like this because things like AirPods, for me, I don't know, my ears are kind of weirdly shaped, so they kind of fall out. But with these, they're gonna stay in quite nicely. I'm gonna let you know how they sound in my Instagram stories once again. And just quickly touching on some of the key features, we've got 15 plus hours of listening with the capsule. We've got a carbon nanotube membrane. There's sports sleeves and ear tips, so that's what we've got. Sweat proof, secure and comfortable, and latest Bluetooth 4.2 technology. Absolutely awesome. Thank you for sending these over. Right, next up we've got this box here, and these are some more cases by the looks of it. Yep, and these cases are from Poetic. So this is like a full enclosure for the S9 Plus by the looks of it. So it's also got a front, and there's also a similar case in here, which is once again gonna give you some protection at the front as well. This is a hard clear case, and this is like a bit of a credit card case, so you can have your credit cards inside this little area here at the back. Cool, thank you Poetic for sending these over. Once again, links will be in the description below. Right, couple more boxes. We've got one here. This is an external battery, 26,800 mAh. Damn, that is quite a lot. With quick charge 3.0 technology. This is from Zendu. 4 ports in here. One of these is green, which I'm assuming is the quick charge 3.0 port. We've also got the indicator here, so this is actually going to give you the percentage of how much you've got left, and then there is also a micro USB input. Pretty cool. And then you've got a micro USB cable, which is braided. Braided is always good. And finally, there is the pouch, nice soft pouch. So should be really useful if you're on a long distance travel, and looks quite durable too. And final box here. What is this? Removu. Wow, okay, this is like a vlogging camera. So just going through some of the key features here, you've got a 3-axis gimbal, you've got stabilization, 4K video, 12 megapixel photos. There's also an LCD display within this as well, 1.5 inches. And then you've got 4 hours of continuous recording, no charger, charging by USB cable. Some paperwork, some stickers, a pouch, as well as a micro USB to USB cable. And here it is. That is very, very cool. It kind of looks like a gimbal, like you'd have something like the DJI Osmo Mobile or something, but it's then got this camera on top, right? So the battery on this needs charging, but looks like a very cool concept. We've got an LCD display here at the front, so you're gonna be able to see yourself when you're vlogging. It's got a wide angle camera on here, I can see as well. It's 17 millimeters and it's got an f2.8 aperture. So it's pretty cool. You've got micro SD card input here. You've also got an external mic input, which is very important. If you're somebody who vlogs, then this might be something to check out, something quite compact, which you can take around with you. And you've got the stabilization there and 4K video recording. That is pretty cool. And I've also got an accessory pack, which I'm assuming comes separately. And this has a lens cover protection. It's got a premium external mic, and it's got a docking station, a wrist strap, a protective foam for the LCD display, as well as a lens cleaner. Very, very cool. I'll let you know how I get on with all of this. And that is it for episode 20 of Unboxing Time. Mystery unboxings of cool tech. Now remember, if you want to pick up any of the items that are featured in this video, then those will be linked in the description below. And also in the description will be the address if you want to send something yourselves. What was your favorite item from all of this stuff? And is there anything that you'd like me to cover in more detail? Definitely let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you haven't already, then be sure to subscribe and switch on notifications. There's lots more quality content coming up on here. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time. And I have a lot of cleaning up to do because this place is an absolute mess.